How to create a domain alias in DirectAdmin. The URL of a domain alias is different from the domain it points. You can access your old domain with a domain alias. We assume you have already logged in to your DirectAdmin account. Click Domain Pointers. Then click Create Domain Pointer. Enter the domain URL in the text input box for source domain. Notice that the box for Create as an alias is checked. If it is not, click to check this box. Click Create. Success! We have created an alias for domain. This is the interface where you can create new aliases and manage the existing ones. Thank you for watching.